Hey, just wanted to do another comparison. In my previous video, I compared the brushless Milwaukee to the brushless fuel Milwaukee Driver Impact. And obviously the fuel is more powerful. It's also more expensive. But now Milwaukee is updated to Gen 3. This is Gen 2 of the fuel. This is Gen 3. Both batteries fully charged. I even gave the advantage to the Gen 2 with the shorter drive versus this. Only because the naysayers will say, oh, the new one had the shorter drive. Well, we're gonna take all that away and we're just gonna do a slam dunk drive of these two leg bolts into this treated 4x4. Gen 3 on my right, Gen 2 on my left. Now reverse. And there you have it, guys.